Yo, yo, yo. Good morning. What's up? So, I will say there might be an echo right now because I'm pretty much in an empty room. So if you guys do hear an echo, one, just let me know, and two, give me recommendations on how I can stop the echo because I have the closet wide open, I have the door open, I have the bathroom door open, everything is open. I still kind of hear an echo. I don't know if you guys can through the mic. I like it here so far. So far, so good. But yeah, basically yesterday was amazing. I didn't even actually sit in front of the computer to trade. I took a quick little QQQ scalp yesterday, but then got stopped out on the rest at -30 from entry. I was doing that in the bleachers at the graduation. So yeah, my fiance graduated yesterday with her 4-year degree. Very proud of her. So yeah, took a QQQ scalp yesterday. Once it orbed, honestly didn't make too much money off of that. Still ending green on that. Does your mic? It probably does. I just have to set it up. But we added Coca-Cola swing. We added the $65 calls expiring next month. So those are in the money. Stop loss is going to be below this daily 21 EMA. My bad. As far as a price target, pivot high, pivot low, we are aiming for 68.46. Our Bristol Myers swing went 55% yesterday, so we trimmed some of that. Our wheat swing did 100% yesterday, so I sold all out of that. Good morning. That wheat was a beautiful trade. Yeah, all out of that. And then our USO hit, I think it was like 23%, 22%. I'm still holding my full position in USO. I haven't trimmed. And then I also had a Forex trade on GBP USD that did around 140, I think it was like 142 pips before I sold it. So beautiful trade. All swing trades yesterday. So, well, besides that QQQ scalp. All right, I'll try that. Yeah, I still got to unpack. I'm literally still moving stuff in, which is annoying. But hold on, let me get everything set up. If you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 90 people up in here and only 22 likes. I'm not good at math. So if you guys could, make sure to click the like button. It would be greatly appreciated. What do I think about MPC? Honestly, I didn't even look at it yesterday. It's going. This was on the weekly watch list. I said if it breaks above 96.9, it's possibly going to 98.83. So if you didn't get in once it broke above and aiming for here, it's too late in my opinion. Yeah, too late. So Coca-Cola, we just entered that swing yesterday. Not worried about it whatsoever. And let's see, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Let's make a watch list today. Hold on, turn the level 2 off. How was everybody's day yesterday though? Target got destroyed. Well, let me pull up the Discord to myself. CRWHORNS. There it is. Cool. All right, let's flip through the weekly watch list, see what we can find. First off, AMD. And one thing is, I do want you guys to actually, AMD hit that monthly pivot to a T, almost to a T. I gave you guys that level in the weekly watch list. So if you guys call it AMD, pretty much hit that level yesterday. But the one thing about the ES futures, the S&P futures, we have a huge bear flag. So if this thing breaks down today, market is pulling, no doubt. So just, keep that on your radar. Whoops. But as far as AMD, honestly not too interested. 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Yeah, I don't like that setup. We'll pass on that. Facebook currently sitting at 200. They could actually hit it as support Good morning. Whoops. I'd be interested if Facebook could get back up above 203. Tell you what though, this chart's a mess. Either above 203 or below 199.9 is where I would like Facebook. So FB. GIS, still looking for that swing. Hopefully we can snag that one. That looks really bullish on yesterday's candle, right to that daily 34 EMA, and then it came back up. I'm still waiting for that break at 73.99. That Hershey swing did really good if you guys caught it. It had a beautiful breakout at 226 and pushed all the way to 230. Still paying attention to Monster. I might not be able to get that. MPC, we already talked about that one. Microsoft, nice 1 hour squeeze. Again, the thing I don't like is that the futures are bear flagging. And if it cracks below that bear flag, it's gone. So maybe 265, we can get the gap fill to 266.6. Maybe some put levels, they do pay a dividend this morning. So we'll come back to Microsoft. Nvidia, looking pretty bearish unless they can get above yesterday's high. What is that? 183.71. Do we have any economic news today? Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. If you guys want to watch this, we need 150 likes. We currently have 67. So I need y'all to run it up for me. But yeah, Nvidia kind of looks pretty bearish. Does have that inverse head and shoulders right here. It's actually at the neckline. Pretty much at the neckline. So above, yeah, if it can get above 183.71, I'd be interested. Puts are a possibility here. Again, if the ES breaks that bear flag, it's probably going to go. ON had a beautiful breakout yesterday. If anybody caught that. AT&T, I did see some of you take that AT&T swing, and that thing actually did really, really good. So the price target was 2076. It ran up to 2068. So congrats if you caught that. And then USO, still holding that. Let's see. Good morning. Hi, is there a link to your Discord? Yes, there is. 1 second. Let me find that for you. There it is. If you guys would like to join the Discord, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, whatever it is, there's a link to that. Oh yeah, what time is housing? That's at 10, right? Let's see. Today is Wednesday. No, it's at 8:30. Oh, existing home sales. That's tomorrow at 10. Cool. Yeah, I guess Target and Walmart are not reporting really good numbers. I know, I'm sorry. I was out of the groove too. It was weird not going live and trading. But so far we have Facebook, Microsoft, Nvidia. That's it. So let's flip through the day trade stocks, see what we can find. Apple. I was actually looking at Apple yesterday, and you can see we got this bear flag. So I might have to break my rules of not trading Apple, but I do really like this bear flag setup. 1 hour squeeze. The squeeze fires down. We could get some puts. AAPL. Boom. Remember, if it is not on the list, I will not be looking at it. We looked at AMD, Boeing. Boeing actually had a really good day yesterday. Baba. Nope. Coin. Is there even liquidity in coin? There's a decent amount of liquidity. Nothing too exciting though. Setup doesn't look that good either. Costco. Yeah, Costco's going down with Apple and not Apple. Target and Walmart. CRWD. That could actually be a nice little short right there. 140. Is there liquidity in the 140s? Nope. Chevron actually looks like it wants the next leg up. It did pay a dividend today. Did set a new all-time high. It has to get above, for me to be interested in Chevron, it needs to get above 175.65. So we'll wait for that. If it does get above there, however, though, delete that real quick. Pivot high, pivot low, pivot high, pivot low. We got some room. Got a nice little gap that we need to fill. So we'll keep Chevron on watch. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. We got 100 likes, 180 people up in here. If you guys want to watch this, we need 150. Don't you guys worry. We are getting a Tesla. You don't need to keep typing in the chat. We will get to Tesla. Don't you worry. I think we already established Facebook. Yes, we did. Microsoft. I do not like that setup there. Liquidity, you just look at the volume and open interest. That's it. MU, not too interested. Did we look at NVIDIA? Yes, we did. PayPal. Thank you. I will tell the fiance that you said that. PayPal. Not interested. USO, all the price targets were put in the watch list for you. Every single Sunday. The price targets are already put out for you. All you gotta do is mark the chart. Actually looks like Roku is going to try to do an inverse head and shoulders. See if we get it to come back up to this level at 110. Deny it, come back down, form shoulder number 2, which would be around 83.72. And then maybe this thing goes. But I will keep that on watch. SQ. Not too interested there. Target, again, got destroyed. I have long-term equity in Target too. This is sad. I can't believe that. Here it is, Tesla. Hold on, there we go. What do you mean Tesla gapped up? Oh, gapped down. Didn't really even gap down. If I were to be interested in Tesla, honestly, I'm not really even interested in Tesla. I don't know where that support came from. Maybe, I mean, if you want to watch Tesla, maybe below 745 to 728. I really don't like that setup. Not my ideal setup. I saw Twitter got smacked the other day. Walmart, you guys said, is getting clapped even more. Wow. And then our next oil name, Exxon. Nice 1 hour squeeze. Got a nice daily gap to fill all the way up to 95. We are going to put that one on the list. Facebook. Actually, I think Oxy has been a mover recently too. Yeah, that Oxy setup, beautiful. What's the level though? 69.73. We'll put that on the list for now. We'll come back to that one. Oxy. And then let's look at SPY and QQQ real quick. Let's see, QQQ. Did break that 4 hour inverse head and shoulders. I will say though, remember that 50% retracement that I talked to you guys about at, let's see, where is it? Do I not have it on here? Really? Oh, this is SPY, not QQQ. Hold on. There we go. QQQ came right down to that 50% retracement at 286 and rallied all the way up to a high at 207 or 307. So it made, what is that? A $20 move to the upside again. It tried to break that inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder one, head, shoulder number two. But it looks like it's trying to come back down. So we do have a 4-hour squeeze on QQQ. I do want to pay attention to that. You know, we might fire down, we might fire up, but I will be trading Uncle's levels when it comes to spying QQQ today, so I will be waiting for him to put those out. In the meantime, let's see what we got. Facebook, again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. 218 people in here and only 118 likes. If you guys want the watch list today, I need 150 likes. That's it, 150. I think that's pretty doable. And if you're not, make sure you are subscribed. Good morning, Diane, channel member. Greatly appreciate you. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure to do that because I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Plus, why does it do this? There we go. Plus, I give you all these free educational videos on how to trade. So if you're not subscribed, I don't know what to tell you. You're missing out. Anyways, let's see what we got today. Good morning. Yeah, I would pay very close attention to that ES bear flag that we got going on. That's a little worrisome. Anyways, we had Facebook to start off. Honestly, I would really like to see Facebook get back up above 203. If that were the case, I would be interested. Come on. I don't know how to fix that. I mean, maybe if it broke below 199.9 as well, we could take it down to 199.2, 199.83. Yesterday's low at 198.36. That's a possibility. Uncle's levels are always posted in the Discord. Let's see, couldn't find the Discord link. Again, it's right here. There you go. Discord link is right there. Facebook's a hard maybe. Actually, I really like the oil stocks today. Let's look at USO for possible day trade. I wouldn't be really interested unless it got above that 83.78. So let's start with Chevron. That's got a little bit to go, so I'm just gonna keep an alert there. Exxon, however, I like that one more. Currently 92.75. If we can get above there, we got let's see, 93.22, 94.43. Thought I had other levels on here. Yeah, I do. There they are. They're just all the way up there at 95. Cool. So, yeah, we got a lot of room on Exxon. Let's put this one on the list. $92.78 is the breakout. Boom. All right. Exxon. Let me move the mic away. We're almost at 150 likes. We got 230 people in here. I guarantee you that not all 230 of you are subscribed to the channel. So again, make sure you guys do click that subscribe button. Also, I hit 1 million views, which is crazy. I just saw that pop up today. Hold on, let me find it. 150 views. Or, oh my god, 150 views. 1 million views. It's crazy. Thank you guys. I greatly appreciate all of you. Especially the ones that have been here since the beginning. You guys are the OGs. I will always greatly appreciate you. Let's see, XOM. Beautiful 1 hour squeeze. Looking for the break above 92.78 for calls. Price target equal 93.23, 93.44. Exactly. How could you not like the videos? It's free 99. 94.55. I honestly think that's as far as it could get today. So we'll just put 94.55. 94.55. Possible bounce at 92. At 92. It said you said you subscribed? Weird. Why is my SpongeBob not popping up? The dancing SpongeBob. Did anybody subscribe today during this live stream? Yeah, oil here is $4.50, which is crazy because oil's not even at the price it was 2 months ago per barrel, and gas prices are higher than they were. If we're looking at crude oil, this is how much, $130 a barrel, way back here. Gas prices are higher now that they're $111 per barrel. That says something, because it's breaking out the symmetrical triangle. Squeeze looks ready to go. We go back up here. I don't want to know what oil prices will be at that time. It's gonna be stupid. But we got our Exxon on the list. Let's see what else we got. Somebody kept asking about UPST, so we'll look at that. Somebody said UPST gapped up. It didn't even gap up. Let's see, UPST. So we'll get rid of that. NVIDIA. Looks like NVIDIA is trying to break down. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. There we go. Now somebody subscribed. We might have to look for intraday setups. Thank you for the subscribe. There we go, baby. We getting them in. Okay, so put levels on Apple below 143.78. Figured yesterday's low. Below there, free money. Actually, what's that level? 36. 36. Boom. So let's get this chart over here. I don't know what I did with my stream deck. I can't do bing bongs. I have no idea where I put it. It's got to be somewhere in the box. But I put all my computer stuff into one specific box and Stream Deck was not in there. So I got to find that. I don't know where it went. Yes, I like Zim a lot, actually. As far as long term, especially if they want to give another $17 dividend, I will eat that thing up. Apple 4-hour bear flag, as well as the ES futures. Break below 147.35 for puts. 35 for puts. It's good. My back just hurts. Break below 147.35 for puts. Price target equal 146.68. Anything below equal free money. There's Apple. Did I put 82? Yeah, I did. 92. Boom. All right, there's Exxon, Apple. Hopefully that Apple doesn't break. I'll be highly upset if it does. All right. Apple, I think we looked at Chevron. I think with Chevron, I'm just gonna wait. I'm really not interested unless it cracks that high. They do pay a dividend today as well. Actually, where'd they close? 174. Yeah, pretty much dropped by the dividend. But yeah, I like it above 175.65, so I just set an alert. Take that off. We already looked at Exxon. So look at Oxy. Again, that 1 hour squeeze. That's nice. Where's the liquidity in these bad things and 70 calls? Basically sitting at that monthly pivot. Got room to the weekly pivot. 69.79, 70.13. Maybe. I would say watch this. I really do like that squeeze. I would like to see a solid pre-market high be set. And then maybe we'll come back to that. No, a bear flag is bearish, meaning puts. I said I'm looking for a break below a certain level, meaning I'm looking for puts at that level. Other things might just be spying QQQ. Microsoft looking pretty bearish. They pay their dividend today. Honestly, what I would say for now is really pay attention to this ES bear flag. That would be #1 thing that you do want to pay attention to. And honestly, the only two setups that I actually like is Exxon and Apple. Everything else, I might just have to wait a little closer to market open or just look for intraday setups. We shall see. But I guess in the meantime, I mean, we're done early. So if you guys got any questions, feel free to type them in the chat. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I wish I could show you guys the setup right now. Place is a mess though. Oh well. Let's see. Is there any stocks you guys want me to look at? And do not type penny stocks. I will not look at penny stocks. I do not trade those. Yeah, just look for the break of the bear flag. That's it. Again, I give my SPY and QQQ analysis every single Saturday. Most levels should be marked. Lockheed Martin. Let's see what we got. We already looked at Target. They got clapped. Lockheed Martin. Honestly, I don't even think there's really any liquidity in this thing. Yeah, no liquidity. Can't trade that. Actually, let's go to that Target real quick. Is it near a whole level? Honestly, I wouldn't be interested in this thing until it hits 150. That's psychological support. Right now, it's just free falling. And I do have a pretty big position in my long-term portfolio. Roku, currently we're watching that inverse head and shoulders. As you can see, shoulder 1, head, possibly come up to 110.56, come back down to 83.72 area, make another shoulder, break above the neckline, and then it's gone. Go over Coca-Cola. Same swing trade every single time. Where's this chart at? There it is. Coca-Cola, daily time frame, sitting on the 8 EMA, it's squeezing, on balance volume broke up, stochastic buy signal back here. Let's look at the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame looks strong, increasing on balance volume. Thank you for the subscribe. Go to the 3-day time frame. 3-day looks strong, holding that 3-day 8 EMA and 21 EMA as support. Next leg up gives us 68.46. So that's the whole reason behind Coca-Cola. Again, it's the same setup every time when it comes to the swings. And on top of Coca-Cola, all the beverages tend to move together. So I'm also watching Pepsi. Pepsi looks really good if it can crack above 177.62. That's where I'm looking to go long there. Monster, MNST, looks very good as well. Dr. Pepper, KDP, looks, that broke down. Never mind. That did look good till it broke down yesterday. So yeah, they all move together. I do really like that Coca-Cola though. Bourbon dummies, it doesn't matter what time frame you use, they're going to be in the same place no matter what. I can go to a 1 hour, you can see that's at 35.54, still at 35.54 as you can see. But yeah, they don't move, doesn't matter what time frame you're on. Overall market sentiment, I would still like to see a little bit more of a push, maybe back to that weekly 21 EMA. That would be ideal. And then I don't know if I'm putting Oxy on the list yet. We'll see. I have not made the squeeze scanner yet. I do got to get to that. AMC, I do not trade that. Affirm, AFRM, AFRM. Had that nice squeeze yesterday. This area right here is what you want to know about. That 25.50 level, 25.75 is what I would pay attention to. But yeah, not interested until it cracks above there. Pepsi, there's no swing until it breaks that level. Anyways, here's that Exxon setup that I am watching. Apple as well. Still got some swings running that I gotta pay attention to. Again, that ES bear flag, that's gonna be super, super important. So we got Exxon. We got Apple. We got the USO swing. We're all out of wheat, so I can finally take that off. I want to pay attention to the ES futures. I don't know why I got crude oil twice. I just use squeeze scanners. The only thing that I swing trade is from squeezes. That is my #1 setup. Again, if you guys don't know how to use the squeeze, I got a whole playlist on how to use it. Right down here. So if you're not using the TTM squeeze, and you want to know how to start using it, this playlist right here, make sure to watch all these videos. I don't know what this one's doing here, but these 3 right here. And if you're not, make sure you guys are subscribed. It would be greatly appreciated. But yeah, I think, yeah, that print, or not the print, the wheat was an absolute printer. Again, the technicals hinted before the actual move. That happens a lot. So, but yeah, if you're in the Discord, I might have 1 or 2 stocks. Did Apple really break the level? Of course. I'll look for a different level. We'll see. But yeah, I might have 1 or 2 more levels a little closer to market open. We'll see. But I'm probably going to prioritize buying QQQ. We shall see. Monster has a lot of room to the downside. What? MNST. Just broke an inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Came back, tested it. Squeeze. On balance volume, breaking out. Stochastic buy. Go to the weekly. Coming back up above everything. It actually looks like it might form an inverse head and shoulders here. And then the thing that I really like about Monster is that monthly time frame. It's holding above those monthly moving averages. Up arrow on the squeeze, monthly stochastic buy, monthly actual squeeze. And then maybe we get that on balance volume to come back up. If anything, I think Monster has a lot of room to the upside, not the downside. Plus, on top of that, I made that 50% retracement. Oh, master. I'm blind. This is what's this? MicroStrategy. This is the Bitcoin people, right? They own a lot of Bitcoin. Is that what it is? Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. I actually got very close to that support. Yes, MicroStrategy. I'm blind, I apologize. But I would say if MicroStrategy were to drop more, do they have the TTM Squeeze Pro on Webull? We already looked at the Coca-Cola swing like multiple times. Let's see. Okay, so MicroStrategy, I would be a buyer at like, what is this? Anywhere in between 115 to 90 is what I would be interested in. The thing is with Bitcoin futures, it came to that support and it held right here, this support. Now I did talk about that weekly squeeze. I was actually going to look to try, I was going to try and short Bitcoin, but it never gave me my entry. I wanted to pull back to that weekly 21 EMA to go short. Unfortunately, I didn't get it. But yeah, support, very close there, support, and it's currently in it. I would say a weekly close below this level is what would take MicroStrategy even lower. That would be like the #1 thing I'm watching. But remember, the more times you come to a support level, the stronger it becomes. So if we hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, that's a very, very strong level. What's, you put it, WEAT. And then ZW is the futures for wheat. Yeah, Chuck, that's why I said anything below 146.68 is just free money at that point. How much is Apple moving a day? Hold on. Let's see. Actually it moves $5.61. I did not know that. DUK. Not interested. Cool. All right. Well, that is going to wrap up the morning live stream. Again, right now I'm just watching Exxon and Apple. We're in that Coca-Cola swing. I'll add if it comes to that daily 21 EMA. My stop loss is right below there. For anybody that's in it, you don't have to add me in the chat saying, are you in Coca-Cola still? But yes, still holding Coca-Cola, still holding USO, all out of wheat, all out of GBP USD. But yeah, let's run it up today. Let's make some money. I wish everybody the best. Be back here tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. And I'll talk to everybody then.